Can you earn money just by driving around? Yeah, you can with Wrapify. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the RideShare Guy. And today we're going to go over how you can make extra income with Wrapify and some of the questions that people have when it comes to what is Wrapify, how do you get campaigns, how do you get paid, where is it available, and a few other things. So let's go over that right now. So what is Wrapify? Well, Wrapify is a company that connects advertisers and you as a driver, like gig workers, to be able to make extra income by advertising on your car. Drivers who use Wrapify usually get between $200 and $300 extra a month in income. Wrapify provides advertisements that are a durable wrap that is easily removable and won't damage your car. You gotta download the app to get started and create a free account. Link's gonna be in the description below, so if you wanna get started right now, then you can. After you create your account, you're gonna have to drive around a little bit so the app can track exactly where you are, so it can set campaigns up that are going to be relevant to your area. Then after that, once you get a campaign that is available, you can click on it and then you can schedule the wrap with a local place to put the wrap on and drive around like normal. The app tracks your mileage and it runs in the background every time you get behind the wheel, so when you're in the areas, well, it knows how much it's going to be paying you. Now, it might take some time to get certain campaigns in your area, and all areas are going to be different. And driver pay is going to vary by the advertiser, how often you drive, where you drive, and also how big your advertisement on the car is. What are the requirements to drive with Wrapify? Well, you gotta pass a background check and you gotta have a car that is from 2010 or newer. Now, the vehicle shouldn't have any significant body or paint damage to it, and you gotta be 21 or older with a clean driving record. If you meet all the requirements, now you might be wondering, how much do drivers make? Now, how much you earn actually will vary, and it's going to be based on a couple of factors. It's going to be the ad type and the amount of time that you're going to be driving, as well as how much you're out on the road driving. Now, the full coverage car wrap, you can earn anywhere between $264 to $452 per month on average. For the partial cover wrap, you can earn $196 to $280 per month on average. And the light coverage car wrap, which covers a small section of the vehicle, is usually between $181 to $280 per month on average. Now, Wrapify processes the payments on Friday, and it usually makes it in your bank account on Tuesday or Wednesday of the following week. Now, you might be wondering, where is Wrapify available? Wrapify is available nationwide, and they have regular campaigns in several cities across the US. They even work with local car wrap installers in your area, so you don't have to worry about trying to apply it yourself. Just make sure your car's clean before you take it in. Now, Wrapify is a great way to earn extra income by doing what you're already doing, driving around, and just putting some advertising on your car. Now, one of the cool things about that is with higher gas prices, with higher car costs, and unfortunately other areas of inflation, this can help offset some of those expenses that we're now facing. So that is a great option. And one cool thing is, I just signed up for Wrapify. All I'm waiting for is my first campaign. Hopefully that'll be really soon. And as my campaign comes, I'll share my experiences with you and how it goes. Make sure you're subscribed and make sure to ring that bell so you'll be notified for all of our new videos that come out every single week. So it's going to help you maximize your earnings as a gig worker and also share different ways that you can earn extra income on top of it, like Wrapify. And if you're interested in getting started right now, again, check the links in the description below, sign up, download the app, and wait for your first campaign.
All right, drive safe, everyone.